Next up in this video, we'll look at the case. Remember, in the previous case, we were given the roots and a random point which lies on the graph. But in this equation, we are given the points of the turning point and then a random point which lies on this graph. So we're given the turning point PQ and another point which lies on the graph. So whenever we're given this, one way to determine what the equation is to use the equation of the turning point. So that's why it's important to remember the standard form of the equation. So, and then that way I'll just demonstrate shortly how it will be useful. So you write down y equals ax minus p squared plus q, and then you write x minus the x value of the turning point, and that x value is 1 squared, plus the y value of the turning point, and that value according to here is 2. And then now we have this equation. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to define what a is, and in order to solve for a, we are given this point, so we can use it. So we'll say sub the point 2 minus 4, right? So we have our y, which is minus 4, equals a, and our x is 2 minus 1 squared plus 2, right? So if you simplify this, 2 minus 1 is 1, so you have a plus 2 equals minus 4, and then you're going to take that to that side. We solve a equals minus 6. So if we go back, we write the equation a bit neat. We have our a, so we have y equals a being minus 6, x minus p, p being the x value of the turning point, we have minus 1 squared, plus q, and q being the y value of the turning point, which is 2. So this is what we have. So now we need to distribute this now to get to, so if you try to distribute this, you will get minus 6 x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2, and you get minus 6x. So if you simplify this, it's going to be minus 6x plus 12x minus 4. So I just want you to remember that after solving whatever values we need to solve, we need to write the equation as ax squared plus bx plus c, unless they specifically tell you that you can stop here. But it's rather useful at times to write it in this way in case further on you need this for any calculations.